Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today I will be answering your question on the hairstyle that you all asked me about. So let's get to it. And in the comment section down below, you all said that you all wanted to know how to achieve the hairstyle with longer hair. So today I will be using the mannequin head, okay? So this is Mannequin Head Monday, y'all. Mannequin Head Monday. So we're going to put her on the mannequin head. We are not going to take all day with this, y'all. We are not. Can y'all see her? Now I have already slicked her hair down, and this is the length of her hair. Now, what we are going to do is take little looks. Now, we're going to take some little looks, and I have showed you all how to do this hairstyle with 1 pack, 1.5 packs, but today we are going to use 2 packs, okay? Because people have longer hair. So I'm going to sit that to the side. Y'all, I have really been enjoying this hairstyle. Yes, I have. Now, I already have 1 pack out the hair, and we just took another pack. So what we are going to do, we're going to put these 2 packs together. Now, when y'all do this hairstyle, it's up to you how much hair you really need for the length of hair that you have. So we have both of the hair bundles together. I'm just going to take that same rubber band and hook it around. Now, if you want your hair to be longer, then you make the ponytail longer and hook it there, okay? If your hair is longer. So you will want to put it wherever, however long you want your hair to be. So what I am going to do is take this rubber band and I am going to hook it around the hair. So we got it on there like that. Okay? And I'm just going to comb it out. Y'all, while I am combing this hair out, you see this right here? Hit the comment, like, subscribe, and share button. And also hype the video, you all. Hype the video. So I'm just going to comb this out. All right. So we have this here. Now, trust me, you don't need the rubber band. If you don't want the rubber band, you really don't need it. I'm just putting it there just to hold my hair in place while I comb it. So, what I am going to do is just lay the hair across like this. Okay? I'm going to lay the hair across like this. I'm going to make this one longer. So, I'm going to bring the hair to this length here. Then I'm going to put a scrunchie on it. Okay? Yeah. That is why I said you don't really need that rubber band in the middle. That was just me being extra. But I told you all, when I show you all these styles, put your own foot in it. Okay, so we got the hair there. We're going to comb this hair through. Okay, you can still see the hair underneath there, right? That's her hair. And if you want, at this point, you can take that rubber band off if you want. And what we're going to do is bend that other hair back. Okay? Now, this is what the hair is looking like. This is what it's looking like. Okay? And this is what it's looking like on the side. I'm taking the hair and I'm going to split her hair. Okay, her hair that came on the mannequin head. We're going to take the hair and we're going to make sure it's neat, and we're just going to wrap it. Look at that. And we're going to wrap it. And if you still want to hide your hair underneath there, then I would take the other hair and wrap it the different way, the opposite way, if you're not going to blend it in to the ponytail. You'll spread that hair out, comb it out. So once you get the hair wrapped the way you want it, you can use a pen and stabilize that and put that in there. Comb this ponytail out, y'all. And that's the way it's going to look. Even if that hair comes up, you can pin it down nice and neat. Okay? It's pinned down. Now, I'm going to tell you, this is a mannequin head, and your hair is going to behave way better than this mannequin head is. But that's one of the ways that you can hide, you know, your hair underneath. Okay? So, y'all, we still got the band on the hair. See that? Now, when I first showed you all this style, because my hair was, you know, my hair is short, I had my hair like this. And I was able to just, you know, hide my hair underneath because my hair is short. So whichever way you can try to hide your hair or to twist it as tight as you can to make it, you know, shorter in here. Okay, let's put a band on that. You want to make it as small and as tight as possible, y'all. Small and as tight as possible. If you just want to have your hair like this. Now then, you'll take the hair. That's what that rubber band is on there for. And you're going to put it on the mannequin head. And you're going to wrap this hair around that ponytail, okay? We're going to make that nice and taut. You want to throw that hair back. And you see what it did, just throwing it back. So let's just hold the hair and comb it, okay? Let's just hold the hair and comb it. Now, even though my hair is short, you all, I really did like using it both ways. With one pack of hair or with 1.5 pack of hair. I really liked it, to tell you the truth. So this is what it looks like, not even putting a band on there, y'all. Not even putting a band on there. This is what it looks like. Okay. The hair is underneath here. It's rolled up. It's underneath there. But let's say you want to make sure that that's not going to show. Now, if you decide to wrap it, what you are going to do is wrap it the length of the hair that you left out. And what I mean by that, if your ponytail sticks out to here, that's how far you're going to wrap that hair. So let me just show you. I'm going to take some hair from the side. And since the hair is longer, I'm going to take a little bit more. Can y'all see that? So this is something that if you're trying to grow your hair, this is something really easy and quick to do. If you don't know what to do with your hair, this is something quick and easy to do. You could take it, you know, put it on, take it off. Now, you see where her hair is right there? Look at how much of that hair is going to take up on here. So I'm going to start close to the base. I'm going to start close to the base, y'all. Okay? And I'm going to make sure that this hair here that I'm wrapping with stays wide. Okay? I'm going to keep it wide because the hair underneath here, see that? See that? You want to pull it tight, and I want to make sure that hides that. Do y'all see that? Just make sure you're doing it neat. And like I said, you want to try to make the hair close as possible, because the longer you let that hair stick out here, the further out your ponytail is going to stick from your head. And let me show you that. Okay? But if it's really, really important to you to hide your hair, then who cares? As long as it's cute, right? Then you're just going to straighten out the hair. I like these little loose hairs that's just hanging because, guys, this is like really natural looking. You didn't have to, gel your hair down or anything like that. So this is where you are with the hair. Now you don't care if the wind blow. You don't care about none of that because it's hidden. See that? It's hidden. Well, guys, I can sit here and talk to you all day, but guess what? You have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave in the comment section down below anything that I did not address that you want to know about your hair. And you already know that I am going to answer you back. You guys are the best. You are the reason why my channel is growing. So I will continue to bring you hairstyles that you can use. Guys, I have another channel. It is called Regina's Way. Now over there, y'all, we do fashion shows, home decors, walk the weight off. Everything else that I love to do, y'all, is over there on Regina's Way. So do your girl a solid and support both channels. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. This is so pretty. I love it. I absolutely love the style, y'all. Yes. Look at that. That's pretty, y'all. Mannequin Head Monday.
I swore I'd block your number for good, but here you are texting me, you are